what is he
Bro
doing?
couldn't get a parking spot.
Bro couldn't find a parking spot. He's doing lap 2. Oh no. $675 LT. Was not expecting to see this here. It's pretty cool. Oh, he didn't scrape. Is this R8 gonna scrape? That is the question. Oh, he's being told to go pull around because he's gonna scrape. Who would have thought? Oh, wait. Yep, he doesn't have the balls. He's going around. Brother Man is turning around. Next to this, we have a W204 C63 that is supercharged.